Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the last day of March 2023. We're here to talk about Intel because I know some people are surprised at the massive move that Intel has gone on over the last couple of trading days. Now, take a look at the chart. I can't say that we're not surprised because we actually predicted that Intel was going to go higher. Here it is today. The video that we produced predicting that Intel was going to go higher was on the 17th of March. So everyone, if you're new to this channel, understand that people try to make you feel that you cannot predict where prices are going to go. Well, this is the channel that actually does it. So if you guys want to learn more, I want you all to follow me here on this platform because it's not difficult, it's not complex, it's not complicated. All you have to do is pay attention to price action and volume. That's it. So let's talk about this. So actually, you guys can see that on yesterday's trading action in Intel, the market almost came up there to that $33.07 target that is on our chart. That's our ultimate area on TP. Okay, I'm certain that one of our price targets was around 31 and even up there around 32. So either way, if you were to get the profitability out the market on the last trade in Intel yesterday, that's still 6.33%. Now, I wanted to look at Intel on a longer term basis because emphatically, check this. This is some great action that we've seen into the market in Intel. Don't believe what people say. Don't believe what you read. If the market or what you're reading and what you're seeing doesn't correlate with the price action of the chart. So let me tell you this. So for example, let's say that you were to read an article that told you that Intel was bearish and that they're looking for the price to go down, right? Well, visually looking at the chart for Intel, we understand that the market is not going down, it is trending higher. Okay, that's the first thing. So whoever wrote the article obviously haven't seen the chart. Intel is on a move and it's moving higher. They're looking for price to go down. They're trying to convince you that Intel is going to go lower. And then you see this. The market in Intel was consolidating in this range. Now price has broken out of that range to the upside. Again, pay attention to the price action. That's the only thing that matters, not someone's opinion about how bearish they are in Intel. That's only one person's opinion. We pay attention to the market overall, and the market overall in Intel is telling us that this stock is bullish right now. Let's look at the market in Intel right here on the monthly time frame, and I'm here to tell you this is massively bullish. Okay, in the next 8 hours and 59 minutes, if the market in Intel closes up here at the high of the bar, we'll have to lift our expectation as to how high we think the price in Intel is going to go. So zooming out the market here, okay, the next logical area would be for Intel to come to around $33.50 all the way up to 35. And on this massive spread bar that happened in March, $35 may not even be an issue for Intel. It may have enough momentum to come all the way up here towards 40. Or I'm sorry, 37.50 in the long term. For real. That's how this spread of this monthly price bar for March is telling me. Look at this on the 3 months. Again, we got 8 hours, 58 minutes left, but this is bullish. And it doesn't require fundamental analysis. It doesn't require looking at technical indicators. The market is telling us that they're bullish in Intel right now. So from this standpoint, it looked as if the bottom into the market Intel came in around $25. Just like it did here in 2015. Isn't that crazy? The bottom in Intel came in 2015 at $25. So if you were a long-term holder, this may be your next opportunity to hold Intel for the long term because we haven't hit 10 years yet in Intel if you bought it in 2015. So in less than 10 years, the market price action in Intel came all the way back down to where you once started. So you lost all your gains on this run up to 67.50 in less than 10 years. but the market is coming back down to $25 there. So it looked like the long-term holders may have had another opportunity to come in and buy Intel on the low to ride this particular stock to the upside in the long term. But yeah, I'm done. I'm still suspecting that the market price action in Intel is still going to go higher. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean this up. We're going to get rid of this price prediction there. 6.36%, pretty good call. And we're going to expect the market price action in Intel to go higher. Now what I'm going to do, since we've seen price break the trend, that trading channel, we're going to follow the market. Okay. Now we have earnings coming up April the 27th, 2023. So yeah, be prepared, as we've seen this market already make massive gains on the run up. Be prepared for the market to come down. Okay, I'm just saying. So any move to the downside, we don't want the market in Intel to trade lower than this area here. Okay, so I'm going to hold that there. I'm going to get rid of this trend line because I really want to focus on the next opportunity that the market in Intel is going to sell off. When it happens, we don't want to see the market break below this line. It might be a little bit lower, like 30. So we'll just put it around there. Okay. So let's put this prediction on. We're going to look for the market in Intel to continue to trend higher. We want to see the market hold around 30. Okay. Now on this price prediction, we're going to look for our first price target now. It's going to be here around 33.50. Okay, that's only 4.5% market move higher there, but 33.50 is where it is. You guys can see it on the magnifier. And then my second target is going to be there around 35. Okay, that's 9.13% move higher. $35 there. Now in the long term, on the 3 months, 37.50. Okay, that would be my third price target for a 3-month time period. 3 months to let that play out. But I'm really focusing on those first two targets. Okay, so that is it. Put this back on the daily time frame, and this is what we're expecting the market in Intel to do. So expect some volatility, expect some market price action to come down, go up, trend down, go up, something of that sort. Okay, but definitely we can see how the trend, the price chart, is telling us that Intel is definitely more bullish than it is bearish. All right, so that is it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys want a simplistic understanding. At least have someone in your corner giving you all a heads up as to where price is presumed to go. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.